So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a tip after delivery in DoorDash. So first of all, download DoorDash and open it up. Through here you can see at the bottom home, pick up, grocery, browse and me. You can see the search, you can see the shopping cart. Underneath you can see your profile, you can then see orders, try Dash Pass, settings and profile and rewards. Now in order to give a tip after delivery, so you can open your cart, continue with adding something to your cart, select payment method, make an order. So through there you can go to me, click on orders, and then choose the order that you want to add a tip to. Since you can do that at checkout, but don't worry, after your order has been completed, so you received it, you can add a tip to your dasher up to 30 days afterwards. So you don't have to worry about making it in time. If you weren't sure if you want to give them a tip after your delivery went smoothly, you can always go to orders, click on the order, and you can choose add a tip after that. And through there, in 30 days or within 30 days after the delivery is completed, you can add a tip to your dasher. So that's about it. It's gonna pop up on your orders. So once you are sure you want to add a tip and you have the money for it, you can do it through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.